guys, welcome back to Lotus Gaming. Now before we get into it today, make sure to smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and click the bell to receive notifications on when I post. So today we will be leaning onto the glitch that allowed you to go onto your roof and into your house, expand your house into a mansion. But I'm actually going to be showing you my friend's house because she has made an amazing, very, very amazing house out of that. So I'm just going to teleport to her. Okay, I'm just going to say, let's go to your house. To your house. Alright. Alright, she said, okay. So I'm just going to go out here. We are actually on her private server because I haven't made one yet, even though it's free. It's kind of sad, but okay. So it doesn't look like much right now, but it's cool. I really like it. So I'm just going to be showing you the glitch part. Her house is pretty cool. I'm pretty jealous. Okay, where is it? Okay, I think it's right here. Yep. So you sit here, and oh my gosh, do you see this? She has made an entire house on top of her house that she glitched out of. I think it's amazing. So I'm just going to say, well done. So, would you like to tell them how you made it? There. So, you guessed it. She'll be telling you how she made, not me, sorry, not we, she made this amazing, cool house. So I'm very impressed. I think this is the best thing ever. I would love to have an extra house, and it's a mansion. It's amazing. She completely used her house and made a mansion out of it. I'm so jealous and embarrassed that I didn't know how to do that. So I'll just go down here. So she said, well, I watched Adopt Me YouTube, and I saw this amazing hat. So bought this house. Yep, bought the donut house, whatever. So whatever house she's in. I really don't know what house that was. What type? Okay, she bought a lot of barriers and made walls. Do you have? I think her avatar is also really cute. Okay. Huh? I have a shop house. Okay, so to do this hat, you need a shop house. I don't know if that's true. I don't think you need a shop house, but it's just much easier to do a shop house. So she made a lot of barriers and walls. Well, barriers and made walls. And then I think she put a floor on. And then after making the... wait, how did she make the ceiling? I need to ask her that. Did you make the ceiling? Oh wait, no, I spelled that wrong. Okay. Okay, because that is impressive. Well, that was hard. Okay, yeah, I thought so. Okay, she took 2 barriers. Just gonna take this out. Okay, 2 barriers. Yes. And I placed 1 on top of the top. Oh, I see what she means. Okay, so basically she got 2 barriers like this, and then she got another one, and she did that. Okay, that is so cool. That is really cool. Really cool. Okay, so then, alright. I'm just gonna make a family so I can earn money in the meantime. Now I'm gonna try making something like this. Alright. Now I'll try it. TP to me. Alright. Oh, he needs food. Okay, I'll do that. Alright, so mine is a little bit different than hers, but I think we can make it work. Mine, I do this, and then I jump to the log, the other log, the other log, and then I eventually make it to the roof. Okay, so she said, I don't know if I have enough money for this. I might not have enough money for this, but she took barriers. Oh, not barrier. Barrier. There. Okay. I think I'll take just a barrier, plain old barrier, and then she took a bunch of barriers, like this, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, like that. And I'm just gonna make a little, I don't know what I'm making, honestly. I'm just gonna try it out. Then she said that she put this on top of it, which I'm really confused about that, but I saw how she did it, so maybe she rotated it. Oh yeah, like that, okay. Like that. Wait, actually, I only need it that much. I really don't need this one. Okay, so she did that. Okay, I really don't know how to rotate this. Rotate. There. Okay, she said yes, exactly like that. Okay, cool. There. Alright, now one more. Oh, I can only rotate it up. Okay, like that. There we go. Now I'll just do it till it's aligned. Oh. Oh, there we go. That's better. Alright, there we go. Okay, so now I'm just gonna make a glass barrier. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna do that. And then another one. Okay, someone tell me what I'm doing. I'm just making random things. There, okay. Okay, he's hungry again. How hungry can you get, Fossil Egg? Okay, so that's that. Then I can get another one. And I still don't know what I'm doing. And then this. And I still don't know what I'm doing. Okay, there. Okay, and then I can find a door. See, it's like a entire expansion to your house. It's amazing. I love this. Okay, so I'll just get a super glass door like that. And now it's exactly, oh wait, hold on. I need to put it on top of the glass barrier like that, I'm pretty sure. Okay, wait, now I'm confused. I think I'm doing this wrong. Oh, wait, hold on. How do you do the door? Oh, I love that unicorn. Okay, I really love that unicorn. That's so cute. So, how do you do that? How do you do the door? Does it just go between like that? No, because I can't go in. Oh. Okay, so door. How do you do the door? Move the bear. What? Okay. I move the barrier. And then, okay, okay, what is this? Or do what? Bust in. Oh my. Okay, so how did she do it though? That's what I'm wondering. Okay, I'll just say that we can bust in. I think that's easier. I'll just sell this and I can just bust in. There. Okay. Oh wait, that's a little bit off. There we go. Okay. Yes. Okay. Alright. Now we could just get out a flyer ride pet. And bust in? Yeah, there we go. And it's our own secret hideaway, and we can make much more on this roof. So that is so cool. I love that. I think it's amazing. Oh, sorry. I must have stuck you in here. You need a fly ride pet, and then you can get out. So you need to be able to fly it though, or ride it. Okay. It needs to be. Oh, there we go. He did it. He did it. Okay, that's better. All right. So now let's hatch this egg. So now you can just go back down these steps, sit, and I'm going to be disappointed if this is not at least ultra rare. I traded a lot for this one fossil egg, and then I bought another fossil egg. Yeah, I got a, what did I get? I got a Glyptodon for my last fossil egg. She gets one too. Oh, beans. Alright, now I can pick you up, and I'll bring you to the bath. Alright, I'm just gonna invite you to my family. And if he's a kid, then that'll be better because I'll get money from him. Like, not from him, but I'll get money if he's clean. Alright, now I can pick, oh, there we go. Okay. Okay, watches. Okay, her fossil egg isn't unhatched at all, but mine's almost unhatched. Okay, I hope I get a dodo. Oh, playground. Okay. Awesome. Okay, so let's get my human a bubble. Okay, she's hungry. That's alright. I'm sure she has some food, and if she doesn't, I can always give her a pizza. And once this is hatched, I'm going to have to end the video. This is a pretty long video so far. Alright, here we go. Let's jump out. This is not his last task, just saying. Let's just jump on the trampoline. Or I could do that, oh, wait. Oh. Sorry. Pick you up. Come on, this way. And then I can put her here. And then I can put my fossil egg there. And then I could sit right here and now spin. This is fun. Okay, just click, click, click. And I actually, until a few weeks ago, did not know how to spin this thing. There we go. Now this is fun. Oh! Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, my fossil egg is done. Okay, wanna fly? After the video ends. After the video ends. Need to hatch this egg. And then it'll be done. Because this is 15 minutes long, like that's really long. And I need a new way of recording my screen. When I watch my own videos, I see that it's kind of blurry. But that's life. Okay. Alright. Come on, fossil egg. You can do it. Slashy dance. Okay. Okay. If any of you guys watch Sunset Safari, I like how she plays Millionaire by Julia Carpa. I don't know how to say her last name, Julia Carpajal or something. Is it Spanish? I don't know. But I need to figure out how to play soundtracks. If I had comments, I would ask you to do that, but I don't, sadly. But that's okay. Okay. I believe in you, fossil egg. Okay. Come on, I only need one more task. /E. Watch. Where is she? Where'd she go? I didn't get to watch. Where is she? Oh, wait. Ow? Wait, I need to see this. Okay, now what? Oh! How? Do I have any lazy floats? I don't have a hoverboard. I wonder if you need a hoverboard. Okay, wait 1 second. Toys. Do I have a lazy float? Lazy float. Now, I'll take a bike. And hopefully I can bike on the water. I probably can't, but let's try. Okay. Nothing's happening. Yeah, nothing happened. Okay. Okay. This is the end of the video. Please be a legendary. Okay. I'm gonna hide. Oh, wait. I need to close the chat. I'm not looking. I'm literally closing my eyes. Please. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! OMG! Oh! Oh, yes! Oh! OMG! It's a dodo! OMG! Oh! Oh my gosh! Yes! Oh, yeah. I'm just so happy right now. I finally have my dodo back. Now I have 6 legendaries. Oh. Yep. Oh. I know that lots of people want dodos, so I'll be finding a good trade for this. Oh, yes. Yes, I'm so happy. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and thanks for watching. And I hope you have a great, amazing day. Have an amazing day, and yeah, just, yeah. Okay. Alright, I'm great. See ya.